Your car is getting old. As time passes, it collects dirt and grime and the paint starts to get dull. Now, this is totally normal for the average daily driven car. But what if I told you that you can not only slow down this aging process, but you can actually improve your car's appearance every time you wash it? I call it the first down method, and yes, that's a football reference. And it works like this. Every time you wash your car, you pick out a new area to improve. Then, you just spend a little extra time on that one spot to make it look better than it has in a really long time. I already shared this in my weekly newsletter, so make sure to sign up below if you like tips like this. In American football, the objective is to get the ball into the end zone by either scoring a touchdown or kicking a field goal. But here's the thing, you don't have to try to score on every single play. You just need 10 yards. Move the ball forward, get a first down, and you earn another chance to keep on going. If you fail to make it 10 yards, the other team gets the ball and now they've got a chance to score. Stacking a bunch of first downs will allow you to keep the ball and gradually make your way down the field until eventually you can score a touchdown. So how the, excuse my foul language here, heck does this relate to washing your car? Well, we've all seen the epic detailing transformation videos here on YouTube where the car starts out as a disaster and by the end it looks flawless. That's kind of like the other team kicking the ball to you and you running the entire way across the field for a touchdown right off the bat. It's possible, and certainly fun to watch, but it's nowhere near as likely as the other option. Most of us don't have the time to spend a full week or two doing an insane detailing project.
Bruh.
What's more realistic is for us to chase first downs with our cars. And you don't have to start off with the big stuff either. Maybe one week you decide to clean and polish your exhaust tip, and then the next you'd focus on your windows. After that, maybe you restore your headlights or your plastic trim. Later on, you might find that you're ready to tackle a full-on engine bay detail or a paint enhancement. I put together a blog post full of ideas of things that you can clean or polish on your car, so go ahead and check that out after this. The link is down below. So, how much work do you need to do in order to get a first down? Let's use your exhaust tip as an example. When you wash your car normally, you probably don't do much more than give it a quick wipe after you've washed your wheels or something. Or, a lot of you don't even clean it at all. If it's chrome or stainless steel, there's likely some room for improvement here. There's a few ways that you can make it look new and shiny again. The outside of it might be dull and full of water spots, so a quick polish might bring back that sparkle again. It probably has a bunch of carbon built up inside, so give it a deep clean with some wheel cleaner and steel wool, and then follow up with some metal polish after that. In rare cases on cars kind of like my MR2 here that spit flames and run pretty rich at times, there could be some soot built up on the bodywork surrounding the exhaust tip. You can clean this up too, unless you're like me and you like to keep it as a badge of honor. So dumb. All of this stuff can be done in a matter of minutes, so don't worry about trying to find an extra afternoon in order to get a first down. But what if you don't have any extra time during a wash? I get it. Life gets in the way, and sometimes we're lucky to even have time to wash our cars at all. So how are you supposed to find time to either deep clean or polish something? Well, you don't. But what you can do is approach something a little differently. Try a different product or a different technique. Even try touching something that you normally clean from a different angle, and you might reach something that you've been missing. So how do you know when you've scored a touchdown? Well, it's probably when you start getting compliments at the gas station. But more importantly, you find yourself feeling proud of your vehicle again. Chances are that means that you've made some real progress on your car's appearance, and now it's time to switch your focus to maintaining it and enjoying it. After a while, you'll start to notice that your car is looking newer and nicer overall. That's not an accident. This whole first down method is meant for you to be able to stack these small wins so that eventually your car looks like the end result from one of those YouTube videos. The average car enthusiast doesn't have time to tackle all of these different detailing tasks at the same time. You're probably busy with work or family or watching the latest season of Love is Blind with your wife. Shut up. You don't have to do a full paint correction, steam clean, and engine bay detail every single weekend. You just need to make progress. Get your first down. Give it enough time, and your car will go from dull looking to awesome. But there's one problem. If you want to start stacking first downs, you're gonna have to say goodbye to the automatic car wash. That's one of the reasons why your car looks like crap to begin with, and they do a horrible job of cleaning things like the spokes of your wheels. So watch this video next to learn how to wash your car by hand properly. And don't forget to sign up for free weekly tips to make your car look awesome.